This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact device and operating system, because steps differ by model. Once done, ensure you have administrator credentials. Back up relevant settings or create a restore point so you can revert changes if needed. Close any app actively using the camera and set the device to airplane or do not disturb to prevent background processes from restarting it. Now, navigate to the System Settings panel so you can perform the first change to camera permissions and services. You now revoke camera access at the app level by opening Settings, then Privacy or Permissions, and toggling camera access off for every listed app. This prevents software-level usage. Next, open Device Manager or Services to locate the camera driver, disable the device, or stop the service to cut hardware access system-wide. If you need a stronger block, uninstall the camera driver or remove the device from the hardware list, but make sure you exported the driver or noted the model so you can You finish by rebooting the device to ensure all service and driver changes take effect, then verify in multiple apps and a system camera test that the camera is disabled. If it remains active, check group policy, MDM profiles, or third-party utilities that can override settings. Those often re-enable hardware. If you accidentally locked yourself out, restore the settings from the backup or reinstall the driver using an exported copy. Make sure you retain administrator access before attempting recovery to avoid permanent restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.